Well, no, you said the other day everyone wants it.
Hi, my name is Command Master Chief Brian Davis, and in this week's Ford class, we're talking rehabilitation in the aft mess decks. Today I have AB3 Maldonado, who's going to walk us through some of the steps of what's going on. AB3, what are you guys doing back here?
So what we're doing back here for this month is we are tearing up the deck, making it brand new. What we first do before we do anything, we have to demolition and stuff like that. And then after we demo, depending on the days that it takes, we sand it down, make sure it's bare metal, make sure there's no rough spots, no anything. And then after we do that, we lay a blue coat, flake it, and then we clear it. But the process of it, we lay one coat first, let it dry for 24 hours, and then after the 24 hours, we lay another one, and then that's it. It's real simple. It's not that hard, but it is what it is.
How many sailors are working with you guys, and how long are you guys working out? How many hours are you guys putting in right now?
So we come in from 07 to 1400. That's our first morning crew, and then after that we have a second crew that comes in because we try to get as much work as we can down. It's 21,000 square feet that we're doing of the aft mess decks, and we try to put in 8 hours each crew so we can get as much work done that we need to.
How much do you think this is going to boost morale when the crew finally is done with the PIA?
I think it's going to do something good. I mean, it's going to be fresh deck, you know. I heard we're getting also fresh chairs and stuff like that. So I think it's going to be good to eat somewhere nice, eat somewhere good. Like, you know, it's hard work. I mean, I know from my standpoint, I mean, I'm proud of something that's doing this like this. So I think for everybody to eat somewhere nice, clean, and better, I think it's going to be a good thing.
Hey, well, I'm really excited about this, and I just want to say thanks to you and your crew. I know it's going to definitely make the Ford class a lot better. Thanks.
Thank you, Master Chief. I am AB3 Juan Maldonado, and this is Ford class.
Our Navy remains a symbol of the United States, of our dedicated and skilled sailors, of our technological genius and our massive but controlled military strength, which patrols the oceans of the world on a mission of peace.
Named after the 38th President, Gerald R. Ford, who served in the Navy during World War II, USS Gerald R. Ford is the Navy's newest carrier and carrier class.
Undoubtedly, the foremost event that led to Gerald Ford joining the Navy and enlisting in the Navy was the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor and the U.S. declaration of war on Japan. He commissioned as an ensign on 13 April 1942 and in short order was promoted to Lieutenant JG on the 2nd of June 1942. And then later in March of 1943 received another promotion to lieutenant. Interestingly, President Ford probably had two very significant factors and experiences that he was able to apply in his career as a naval officer. The first was the fact that he was a Boy Scout. He, in fact, is the only president to have ever been an Eagle Scout. The other thing was his experience as a football player at the University of Michigan. His experience with athletics was important because when he was first commissioned in the Navy, he was brought in as a training officer, and he would ultimately serve as an athletics coach as well as an instructor of navigation and gunnery. Ford's naval service is indicative of his generation in that they answered the call to service, performed their duties honorably, and then went on to live a life that was of merit through his political career, both as a member of the House of Representatives, ultimately as Vice President and President.
As the newest class of aircraft carrier, USS Gerald R. Ford will continue Ford's legacy as an asset to the fleet.